I got a short video here. This ISX got a bunch of oil leaks. I'm going to try to seal up one of them. It's this front cover. I've already took the bracket off. Holds the fan shroud for moving. Got all these 10mm bolts. Already got them loose. I got to pull them out and clean it up. I've got a new seal to go in, and then put it back together and see if it leaks. See how well it comes out. See how many bolts I dropped. Probably gonna have to pull this off and get it out, clean it up. I haven't put a lot of miles on this motor, but it's been pretty good so far. I already went and broke them all free before I started recording. Just made it easier. Alright, got the cover off. There's all them gears. I sprayed it. I got it clean. I got to get the gasket. Those two big ones, that's the cams. There's two cams in here, a dual cam, gear drive, a lot of gears. There's the seal. It was mostly leaking at the bottom. I'll clean the pan up. That's the cover plate. Clean that up, put it all back together. This phone holder's crap, so it's kind of hard to record all this, so it's kind of going to be in steps. I'm doing this here at a little fuel stop here in Emory, Texas. Got the pan cleaned. It's not perfect, but there's the plate. You can see the new gasket, this little orange strip. Just feed it around. Put the cover back on, and she should be good. Again, I don't have a good phone holder. It's kind of hard to put the phone, and I guess I need to upgrade, get something a little better. But anyway, let's get it back on. All right, cover's back on. Got to put the filler tube back on. I'll get the get it pressure washed when I can, and see if it still leaks. I had to slice the hose because I couldn't get it off. That's the blow-by tube. See, it goes down, just blows out right there in the middle there. So What I gotta do? I'm gonna just put a clamp on that. Gotta put the charger cooler hose back on. I need to go get some. Here's the filler. I actually broke it trying to get off. See, it screws out right here where the clamp is. I got it back together, but I'm gonna super glue it or crazy glue it or something so it doesn't leak till I can pick up a new one. I don't think it's all that big a deal. But anyway, almost ready to fire it back up. I gotta walk over to O'Reilly's just up the road through that intersection. I guess I could drive the Pilot. Anyway, that's it for now until I get back shortly, and then I'll finish up. All back together. I sprayed it down at the bottom. I'm gonna let it you can see where I put a little bit of silicone here on where this twists in. It's clamped here, so it's not gonna move. I'll pick up a new one. Just threads on. They probably want stupid money for it, but that's just how it goes. I still got to get a clamp for that, but I'm not going to fire it up right at this moment. I'm going to let her sit for a little bit, and then I'll crank it. But as far as I know, I don't see any spare parts or bolts or screws or nothing. Zip tie that on. Have to cut that. All right, the power steering return hose, that's next there, but I'm gonna wait till I get home so I can drain it and put a new hose. I'm assuming it's leaking. Trying to clean up some of the leaks best I can. I've still got to crawl under and check the oil pan, but we'll see how it does when I fire it up. Well, as you can see, I shut it off so I could talk so you can hear me. But as you can see, so far, no leaks. Most of the leaks were down at the bottom anyway, so I'll keep an eye on it. But that's it. If you made it this far, thanks for watching.